Hey guys, I'm back again with another video, and today's video is basically going to be me showing you my curly hair routine and also just doing a quick little makeup look with you guys, just something chill, nothing crazy, because I did just post my everyday makeup routine. So what I want to talk about really quickly is the products I use for my hair prior to styling. So prior to styling, when I'm in the shower, I use the TRESemmé Moisture Rich line, both the shampoo and the conditioner. And while I'm in the shower and I do condition my hair, I like to detangle with a wide tooth comb, and I know a lot of us curly hair gals use this. And I start from the bottom and I work my way up. Garnier Fructis leave-in conditioner. This is what I go ahead and I use throughout my hair. And I also use another product just to add a little bit of shine, and I do this after my hair is dry. And this is the olive oil nourishing Sheen spray infused with coconut oil for restorative shine. This is what I use excuse me, after my hair is all dried and good to go for the day. The last product I use is for my baby hairs, and when I wear my hair down, I don't really do my baby hairs too much. I just kind of just pull it back so that it's like not frizzy along the hairline. And what I use is, of course, a toothbrush, and I use the Eco Professional styling gel and Krystal. Let's go ahead and jump right into the hair routine. Let me take a sip of this coffee first. Super good. I would say this is my holy grail product. And we're going to go in with a pretty decent amount. And we're going to go ahead and lather this up in between our hands, and we're going to run this through the hair. In a little bit and make sure you get the product on all the drier spots of the hair, because you know how curly hair can get. It gets really dry in the very back of the head. So what I like to do is I like to make sure I focus this in the very back of my head. You know, working in that product. Again, not breaking the curls. I do it just like that. Take my towel, and I like to just scrunch my hair. Just like that. Getting rid of any excess moisture or product. Again, I think the most important piece about, well, at least for me, and I'm only going to speak for myself, and of course this tutorial is for you to give it a try and see if it works for you. What I find that really works for me during the curly hair routine, and I find that's really important, is the scrunching of the curls. It's like you're reinforcing their shape. Back to the video. Yeah, that's pretty much all I do. I just go ahead and I just dry the curls. I even bring everything to the front, just like this. And I just dry the hair, scrunching it just like that. So that it's kind of like semi-dry, and you're not like waiting forever for it to dry. You know what I mean? Hair down for a solid 4 days. So this wash and go really works well for me. And then when my hair is like kind of towards the end, and it's like kind of like the curls aren't as defined and it's getting a little bit like tangly and stuff, that's when I start doing my buns and different types of ponytails. My routine simple has always worked the best for me. It might not work for you, but then again, you know, try it out. You never know. Maybe these combinations just work really well together. Head and move on to our baby hairs, and we're just gonna crack this open. If I could get this open. Okay, no more open tail. Got it. Okay, and it looks like this. And we're just going to go ahead and take our little toothbrush. I just swoop it down and up. And that's all I do for this piece, just to control the frizz around the hairline. And then I just grab a little bit more product, down and back. That's pretty much all I do for the baby hairs. Just kind of do our makeup together. So what I want to do is first take a sip of my coffee. So the two products that I like to use on 330 and Toffee Caramel, and I give myself one pump, just like that. And then I take the shade 332 in golden caramel, and I give myself a half of a pump. Like that. And then I go ahead and I take my beauty blender and I mix it with the tip of it. And then let's blend this in. Let's pounce this on the skin. Alright, so this is what you should have after blending everything in. So, now that I just move on to my concealer, I'm using the color Cream Cafe 07 by Infallible Pro Glow. Pointier side of the beauty blender. Blending this in. Tap, tap, tap. Tappy, tap, tap, tap. Alright. So we went ahead and we took care of that highlight. So let's go ahead and we're going to do that contour. Do forehead, cheeks, nose, lip. Go ahead and move on to setting the highlight and setting the contour. So again, using that 332 powder by Maybelline Fit Me in golden caramel, and I'm going to take a little tapered brush by Real Techniques, and I'm just going to hit these under eyes, other side of the eye, down the nose, basically all these T-zone spots where I like to get oily. 360 in Maybelline Fit Me, and we're going to go ahead and do our nose contour. Okay, we're going to grab a bigger, fluffier brush, and we're going to hit all the other spots that we contoured. So cheeks, we chiseling out this face. I'm going to hit this forehead because remember, I want to shrink my forehead. I got a big one. I embrace it though. I'll be rocking this big forehead. Oh, that's right. We need to add, you know, a little bit of powder. We gotta set this underlip. We want to powder your lip like. So let's go ahead and let's put some Milani Baked Bronzer in Soleil. Big old powder brush by Real Techniques. Pounce, pounce, pounce. Tap, tap, tap. Right onto the skin. Milani Baked Bronzer in the color 02, Rose de Oro. This is a beautiful blush, and it's so pigmented, y'all. So pretty, and it has like pretty gold reflexes in it, and that's what I really like about it. So we're gonna take my little trusty blush brush, and we're gonna tap, 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 and like before, I like to smile. I like to place this on the apples of my cheeks. And I like to drag this product up. And we gotta hit these brows. Actually, do I want to do brows? Yeah, I'm gonna do brows. Alright, so we know the drill. If you watched the previous video, we're gonna brush these brows up. And like I said, I don't do a lot with filling in my brows because I have pretty bushy brows already. And I just hit all the spots that are sparse. We are almost done, you guys. I think that's pretty much it for the brows. I don't like to go too heavy-handed on my brows. I like to keep them as natural as possible. And we're going to diffuse it a little bit, just like that. Oh my gosh, I always forget the highlight. How do I always forget highlight? I stay forgetting the highlight, huh? Alright, so, highlight. We shade right here. Tap, tap, tap. We're going to hit this brow bone. Whew. Can never have too much glow. Cupid's bow. And that's it for the highlight. And, oh, I like to just do a little bit. Should I do bottom mascara? No bottom mascara for today, actually. Ooh, I want coffee. A little bit more coffee. Coffee break. Using the color Los Angeles, my go-to color by NYX matte lip liner, we're going to outline our lips. Just kidding. Alright, we're going to take our NYX Butter Gloss in Tiramisu, my tried and true, my go-to everyday lip color. And we just going to tap this right into the middle to give us a little bit of dimension to the lips. We still got to wait on the hair a little bit. Actually, it's dry enough. So, what we're going to do first is we're going to pick out the hair. So what I like to do is, I like to just take the back of it, lift it up a little bit, and I go in the roots, and I drag it down. And I kind of break the curls up a little bit by going just like that. So I pick up all the hair and let it kind of fall, and I just go just like that. Don't like hardcore do this. Good old spritz of this oil Sheen spray. And I like to just put it all over the head. Right, guys, this is the finished result. Here's the makeup. Here's the hair. If you guys enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. Yes, and please let me know in the comments down below any ideas, thoughts, questions, definitely what you want to see next, any feedback. It's all greatly appreciated. Until next time, I'll see you guys. Bye. Caramel complex, well educated.